Just about everyone has some basic knowledge about what a dream is. You might be in an unfamiliar place, be able to fly, or maybe something else. Although the dreams themselves are usually random, there's a distinct science behind it. Oneirology, or the study of dreams, is devoted to quantifying this. Because everyone dreams, oneirology is particularly useful. Although all of us dream, we tend to forget a lot of it, 95 to 99% in fact. Most of that is forgotten within the first 10 minutes of having them. Even though we forget a lot of our dreams, we still spend a good chunk of our lives dreaming. We dream around 2 hours per night, and with the average life expectancy of 78 years, that means we dream for around 6.5 years on average. Let's get into the meat of dream science. How do dreams work? Scientists know that certain parts of the brain are more active during the REM stage of dreams. These are the medial prefrontal cortex, anterior cingulate cortex, and basal forebrain. All of these are responsible for help giving us senses in dreams, such as sight and hearing. This prompts the memory aid theory on dreams. Could this sensory information be used to help us remember past events or experiences? I like to think so. I think that's something we spend 6.5 years of our life doing ought to give me some benefits when I'm conscious. We don't know yet though. More research into this might help us uncover the elusiveness of the purpose of dreams. Although REM dreams are usually what we think of when we think of dreams, there's also another kind of dream called NREM. They're more thought-like, and they tend to be more like real life, or at the very least based on real experiences. You wouldn't fly around in an NREM dream unless you've done that in real life. If you have, let me know, because that's like the best way to social distance right now. Anyways, these might serve the same purpose as REM sleep. We're not really sure yet. We need more research to really figure it out. Now you've heard me say a lot of, oh, we need more research, we're not really sure yet, so on and so forth. That's because we're not really sure yet, but there is one thing we're very certain on, and that's how we prevent ourselves from acting out our dreams in real life. It's something called REM Atonia. The body basically shuts off our ability to move the muscles that actually make us move, like the muscles in our arms and legs. This is accomplished by essentially shutting down our neurotransmitters and saying, muscles, don't even try. You can't even get the signals that tell you to move. Unfortunately, this can result in sleep paralysis if this extends into when you're conscious. You might be able to actually perceive things with your eyes, but not be able to move because you're still stuck in REM Atonia. If this doesn't work at all, you might end up sleepwalking. This is how people don't end up in their beds when they wake up. There's still a lot of information we don't know about dreams. We have a decent foundation thus far, but there's a lot more stuff to discover and science to be done in order to discover it. With the proper time and funding, we can get a solid grasp on one of the most confusing aspects of the human brain.